June 29, 2023. I know it looks ugly. This is not my occupation. Well, it could be considered part of it. As ugly as it is, I think we got it at least fixed for a little while. Both sides are welded. Both sides of the frame are welded. Hopefully I'm done welding for a couple of days. Yeah, that's pretty there too. Broke my frame in half. Ripped my mounts on my deck apart. Woo. Those shade trees too hard on them. Beat them up too bad. Almost 10 o'clock. 2 hours. Yep. God bless in the 405. As soon as my baffles get here, we'll be ready to go.